Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or set up the passcode on your iPhone or iPad. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to come to the iPhone or iPad homepage or home screen, whatever you can say, and then you'll see settings. We need to tap on the settings and the settings related options will be open. From here we have to scroll down and till we find Face ID and passcode. So you'll see a green button or green icon, Face ID and passcode with an arrow, a small arrow right side. Just tap on over there and then it will open Face ID and passcode. From here we have to scroll down a little bit and here you will find turn passcode on. To turn on the passcode or to set up the passcode, we need to tap it over there. Once we tap it, it will give us this type of option. Enter your new passcode, and there are a couple of options are there for passcode. If you tap it over the passcode option, it will give you all the option like 4-digit number code or 6-digit number code, custom number code, custom alphanumeric code. So we can choose any of this thing. So I'm going to choose 6-digit numeric code, and then it will ask us the passcodes. Now we need to type the passcode. Here we need to type like 6-digit number, as there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 round circle is there. So I'm going to type over there. For this tutorial I'm going to type a very easy passcode like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here it is showing this passcode can be easily guessed. Your passcode will be used to unlock this iPhone and to protect access to your data stored in iCloud. Use any way or change passcode. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is very easy passcode. I don't prefer to use this type of password. But for this tutorial, to make it easy understandable, I just put it there. But don't try to use this passcode. And it is suggesting that this passcode is not recommended. So but I have to keep this passcode anyway. So I have to choose the first option, use anyway, or I can put a difficult passcode by choosing like change passcode and then I type the passcode. But I'm not going to do this thing. I'm going to keep it like that. So I'm going to tap use anyway, and then it will ask us to verify your new passcode. Then again I need to retype the same passcode. So I'm going to type 1 2 3 4 5 6 again, and if the passcode is matched like before, then very shortly it will verify and it will try to save it, and it will give you this thing, passcode change. If you think someone knew your passcode or it is trying to get into this iPhone, you can review the settings you have turned on that may allow access your data. Okay, so once it is done, then we need to tap the done button, and once the done button is done, basically we'll see that change passcode is there and turn passcode off. So these two will be changed. The first button, turn passcode off, basically it is for turn off the passcode, and if you want to change the passcode, we can change the passcode from here. Now I'm going to close this window and I'm going to lock my iPad or iPhone. So once it is locked, basically it will be like that. Now if we try to log in, it will ask the passcode. Now we need to type the passcode. At first I am going to type the wrong passcode, like 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the passcode is not correct, so it is unable to log in. So now we have to type the exact same passcode. So in this video basically we used 1 2 3 4 5 6 this passcode. So I'm going to type that passcode now to unlock this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the iPhone will be unlocked. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily turn on or set up passcode on our iPhone. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any problem, just put in the comment section.